Supersizing your business beyond imagination. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is beyond imagination. Now, I've been traveling for 2 days, driving in a car, just arrived in Texas, Fredericksburg, Texas, where I'm going to hang out for a couple of weeks in the surrounding areas and do some amazing things with my soon-to-be 86-year-old mother, as well as my sisters and friends and family down here. So, beyond imagination, what the heck does that mean? Where does it come from? And how can we use it to grow and build and supersize our business? Imagination, of course, to me, for something to be beyond imagination means that it's inconceivable. We can't even imagine it outside of the realm of our imagination, expectation, anticipation, possibility. I gotta tell you, if you are thinking, or even there's an inkling that you cannot, for some reason, supersize and grow your business, guess what? Chances are you're not going to do it, because we have to first conceive in our mind that we can make something happen in order to make it happen in our life. So what are we going to do about this? If you think that it's not possible to grow and build and supersize your business, guess what? You will find ways to sabotage yourself. You'll get in your own way. You might even become the bottleneck of your business. Then they're done that. Not very fun or comfortable to realize that you are the biggest problem that your business has on some fronts. So in order to make sure that we are using our imagination, our creativity, and visualizing, I'm going to share 10 different ways that you can boost your imagination in order to supersize and grow your business. Because we need to see it in our mind first so that we can create it in our life and in our businesses and in the world to make the world a better place. So I'm going to share just 10 quick things. You can ask yourself, do I do any of these things? And could I do these to help me see my business at the supersize level? Because I guarantee whoever you are, whatever you are, it is absolutely positively 100% possible for you to supersize, build, and scale the business that you want to create in the world. Number 1, go take a walk. Number 2, meditate. Number 3, read fiction books. My friend Avril Beckford would attest to the power of reading fiction books and us creating the picture of the story that we're reading in our mind. And that is, of course, enhancing our imagination. Number 4, daydreaming and boredom contribute to and help to improve our imagination. Doing simple tasks boosts our imagination. I have some of my best ideas when I'm loading the dishwasher or doing laundry. Tell a story. Telling stories requires that we use our imagination. Number 7, doodling. Doodling and drawing. I may do a lot of that, especially with my granddaughters, to get better ideas and use my imagination. Apparently, find blue things around you. Blue sky, blue colors. The color blue is the color of the mind, and it increases and boosts our imagination. Number 9, change your routine. Drive to work a different way. Take a different mode of transportation. Again, go for a walk. Go out in nature. Do something different. Mix things up, because that requires that we think differently, and thinking differently and coming up with better solutions is using our imagination. And finally, visualize. Visualization is the ultimate form of using our imagination. Has anybody ever said, don't think of a red rose, don't think of a red rose? Well, what pops into your mind immediately is a picture of a red rose. And that's what our imagination is all about. It is about picturing and envisioning what we want to create in the world. And that helps us to supersize and grow our businesses. Have an awesome day. I will be coming to you different times a day over the next couple of weeks as I travel, but I will be here, I promise. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, have a fantastic day. Go out and imagine the business that you want to create in the world.